contracted. So what led to this and what's the outlook going forward? To discuss this, we are now joined by the CEO of the company, Mr. Prashant Mathur. Mr. Mathur, thank you so much for taking your time out and joining us here on ET Now. And given the significant surge in revenue and EBITDA, if you can take us through what led to this, how sustainable is this growth, and what growth drivers will ensure that this trajectory continues going forward as well as we head into FY27.
Yeah, so this trajectory should continue because if you see for the future, should always look at what we have delivered in the past. So in the past, we have grown at a CAGR of 88% over last few years. Our profit has grown over 250% CAGR. So we are committed to deliver fantastic results going forward as well.
Mr. Mathur, let's also talk about order wins. In the third quarter, there were order wins to the tune of about 960 odd crores. What would be the execution and revenue realization timeline of these new orders that you won in the quarter gone by, and the entire unexecuted order book that you have in hand right now?
So at the beginning of the quarter, our order book was 4.67 gigawatt, and out of which we have executed close to about a gigawatt of orders. And we have added new orders as well. So our current order book is over 5 gigawatt, which translates to about 6,500 crore, 6,500 crore worth of revenue. Apart from that, the order book does not include the spot and the distribution, orders which come almost like very, rapidly and very commonly every month. And so that also is a decent part. So if you see, we are almost have a order book which is equal to about 1 year forward. Normally, these orders are executed between now until 9 to 12 months period, and this is what we will keep adding more and more orders and start executing also these orders.
Right, Mr. Mathur, that's as far as the order book position is concerned. But the company had also earlier indicated its plans to foray into the BESS segment. Any further development on that front? If you can share any developments or updates as far as this segment is concerned?
Yes, we are bidding for new projects as well as as I said earlier also, along with inverters and kits, we are also working on battery storage system as well. We will make an announcement once there is some additional developments there. At the right time, we'll make an announcement.
Right. Mr. Mathur, also wanted your thoughts on your exposure to the US. Now that the India-US trade deal is signed, what kind of benefit do you expect to enjoy on account of this?
Yes, we have been exporting into US, though the numbers were little less because we were not focused because of the tariff issues in US, and we were taking only those orders which were low risk and were on Ex Works or FOB or CIF basis where we were not taking any tariff risk. But now that we see that the US tariff issues are getting settled at 18%, and we have a clarity that there is going to be a trade deal, it is a very positive step, and will be a big boost not only to us as an individual, as a company, but also to the industry. So we take it as a very positive news for the industry.
Mr. Mathur, apart from the India-US trade deal, another key trigger for the Indian markets and for your sector was the union budget. Any thoughts on the BCD exemptions that were announced in the union budget this year, and what kind of benefits the industry could enjoy?
So we are very pleased with the budget announcements, specifically the additional budget allocation which has happened for the PM Surya Yojana, which is the residential rooftop. There's a lot which has been done, and the vision of the government is very clear that they want to keep the solar mission going on, and wants to increase solar adaptability in India more and more. So which is very positive. The other positive, which is for the glass input, raw material input duty exemption, which is also very positive because this will help in reducing the cost of the glass. Also, the duty exemption on the capital goods for BESS as well as solar is also a very positive step, obviously, because we will be able to save on the capex that goes into the equipments, and recover our capex earlier than planned.
Right, so that's as far as the capex plans are concerned. Mr. Mathur, thank you so much for taking your time out and joining us here on ET Now and helping us decode your third quarter results.